Mutual induction of two long coaxial solenoid. This is really very important derivation. Let's go directly to the derivation. Here you can see in the diagram there are two solenoids mutually connected with each other. These are actually like this. We are having first solenoid, this is like this, and another solenoid is wrapped over, this is dotted, we will show it by dotted, and another solenoid is wrapped over it like this. Okay, so considering this S1 to be smaller in size, smaller means this area is smaller, okay, and for S2 the area is larger. Let we represent that area of the solenoid. First is A1, capital N1 is the number of turns, and L is the length of the solenoid, and R1 is the radius of the solenoid for solenoid S1. Similarly for solenoid S2, let A2 is the area, N2 is the number of turns, L is the length, as each length for each solenoid is same, and R2 is the radius of the coil. Okay, now one thing also to note down that N1 is equal to N1 into L, where N1 is the total number of turns and small n1 represent number of turns per unit length. Okay, and similarly N2 can be written as N2 into L, that we have already discussed in the derivation to find out the magnetic field in a solenoid. Okay, now what we have to find out, we have to find out coefficient of mutual induction of two long solenoid. Just like in self induction, what we have done, we have did that phi is equal to Li, and we have find out the phi is equal to BAN, and then we have compared these two. Okay, similarly to find out the coefficient of mutual induction, we have to find out the flux through the coil, and we have to use the formula phi is equal to M12 into I, and then we will compare it. Okay, the steps to remind it, हमें ये step follow करने हैं. तो firstly let us consider, let the current I2 is flowing through the solenoid, किस में से जाएगा, I2 is flowing through S2, I2 is flowing through S2 like this, through S2. Okay, now by the definition, अगर करंट S2 में से फ्लो हो रहा है, ड्यू टू म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन फ्लक्स विल प्रोड्यूस इन S1. Okay, so in that case, so we'll write phi 1 is the flux produced in the first solenoid due to the current in the second solenoid, and this is M12. M12 is representing the coefficient of mutual induction. M1 represent the flux produced in 1 due to current in 2. So we put it number 1. Okay, so I hope this is clear, that flux produced in 1 due to the current in the second. Now the second step, we will find out the flux produced in 1 by using the formula BA, okay, magnetic field into area. So in that case flux phi 1 is being produced, किसकी वजह से प्रोड्यूस हुआ था, magnetic field of second, right, magnetic field of second. So we'll write B2. करंट किस में से फ्लो हो रहा था, करंट फ्लो हो रहा था सेकंड में से. इस करंट की वजह से सेकंड वाले सोलेनॉइड में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा था B2. ओके, सो इस B2 की वजह से हमें फ्लक्स निकालना है किस में, S1 में. S1 में मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट phi 1. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. तो इन दैट केस हम लिखेंगे फ्लक्स phi 1 इज इक्वल टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. नाउ एरिया कौन सा लेना है हमें, एरिया किसका लेना है. नाउ इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का इफेक्ट किसके एरिया में आ रहा है, फ्लक्स सोलेनॉइड S1 में. तो हम एरिया किसका लेंगे, सोलेनॉइड S1. सो एरिया इज A1, एंड नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स भी किसकी लेंगे, S1 की. ठीक है, दिस इज क्लियर. So flux phi1 is equal to B2 into A1 into N1. इसको हम मोर क्लियरली समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. दिस इज सोलेनॉइड. करंट आया, इसको हम थोड़ा दूर कर देते हैं. सपोज करंट आया इसमें, इसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हुआ इसमें, इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वजह से फ्लक्स चेंज हुआ इसमें. ओके, तो किस में चेंज हुआ? इसमें हुआ, तो हम इसका एरिया कंसीडर करेंगे और इसी की नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स को कंसीडर करेंगे. सो विल राइट phi1 is equal to B2 A1 N1. Now putting this, so phi1 B1 B2, B is the magnetic field produced in the solenoid and the formula is mu2 N2 I2. Mu Ni होता है ना, तो that is accordingly mu2 N2 I2. Okay, so this is area A1. Area is written as pi r1 square and N1 can be written as small n1 into L, n1 into L. So we'll write here mu naught N1 N2 I2 pi r1 square. This is phi1. Now comparing these 1 and 2. So I2 to I2 will cancel out. We will get M12 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 pi r1 square. This is the coefficient of mutual induction produced in coil 1 due to the current in 2. In our next video, we will do its second part, that we will produce the current, pass the current in coil S1 and magnetic flux will be produced in S2. Let us do this in our next video.